Introducing the remarkable USB-C Dual 4K Mini Docking Station, a complete laptop connectivity and dual 4K viewing solution. Setting up your home office? The 12-port 6960 has all you need, including dual 4K HDMI ports, a VGA port for legacy displays, 4 Type-A USB ports, a 1 gig Ethernet port, both SD and microSD card readers, an audio headphone microphone jack, plus a 100-watt USB Type-C power delivery port. With dual 4K outputs, the VP6960 enables simultaneous viewing of separate 4K UHD video sources on distinct external displays. Its double-prong USB-C Thunderbolt 3 connector is compatible with newer Mac OS and Windows laptops. So whether you're setting up your home office or traveling giving 4K business presentations, the remarkable VP6960 has your back and your connection.